Well guys, come on, focus, there we go. Well, she cut out, but what we've done, as I'm going to show you now, is we've reamed it out. So this is going to be a part 2. So basically I'm going to try the shaft in there now. So there we go. So the shaft is next. So I'm going to set you guys up again. You can watch. For some reason she's timed out and turned off. I don't know why. Maybe she's saying battery low. I don't know what she's saying. But we're going to try the shaft in there quickly. And this will be the part 2. So without further ado, a bit of spray hay around it. Spray never hurts. And in we go. Ooh, still tight. Still very tight. So we've got to cut it a bit more. We've got to cut more. So, hold this in my hand actually because it's very in the cloth because it's actually a bit sharp in the hand, and I've got to tighten it up a bit more, and we've got to go through again. So that's as much as I can do without putting the spanner on it. So we'll try that. So down in she goes, nice and square, beautiful and square. It's very important that they're square because the two are in line. So there's one at the top, one at the bottom. So got to be square. So here we go. Without further ado, I'm going under with a spanner again. You guys can watch. And there we go. Hope you can see that. But it is disappearing down in there. And it's cutting. So a bit more spray perhaps. There we go. Where we've got to abuse a bit, I think. There we go. Like I say, it's the wrong tool for the job, I'm afraid. But it's going to be, you know, many parts to this, I'm afraid, because I don't edit or anything like that. So, yeah, one of those. In fact, I think probably what I'll do is, you know, you guys are going to get very, very bored of watching me. You know, basically I'm down here, look, turning on this with the spanner. Yeah. In fact, let's go all the way round with that. There we go. Oh, she is tightening up as she bites. And there you go, you can see it's sort of cutting. So I'm going to be doing this probably for another 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes, and then I'll record another short one of trying the shaft in it for the final time. So how does that sound, guys? Yeah, so I'm going to forge ahead with that and yeah, put this thing on charge whilst I do it. Let me bring you so that I'm in the light. There we go. But yeah, so that is reaming out these bushes to take that shaft, and then we've got to reassemble and we'll have power steering again. And that's the reason why, because all the stuff was all wobblety and all apart. There was that much play in it that the little valve on top of the steering ram that's in there, I'll show you that, because some of you won't know what the hell I'm on about. But this is the steering ram, and there's a linkage that goes on top of here that links through to this, which is a valve. A little linkage here goes into an arm and a thing. It's not that complicated, but it is, but you'll see it when we do it. So anyway, we're about to run out of battery by the look of it, so I'm going to sign off now. So that's the first 2 parts anyway of the 3305 steering on the Shed of Hope. Hope to get you a subscription and a like. Have a good evening, guys, and I'll bring you back in about 20 minutes. Alright, thank you.